Salut, salut! Yesterday you asked, d'où venez-vous? Where are you from? Today you learn how to answer that question naturally and confidently. By the end of this lesson, you'll say, je viens de, like you were born in a Paris café. Let's rewind. Say it all with me, out loud. Bonjour. Je m'appelle. Enchanté. Merci. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Non, merci. D'où venez-vous? Perfect. Your mouth is getting in shape. Gym de français. Remember, repetition means fluency. Salut, tu viens d'où? Je viens d'Iran. Et toi? Moi, je viens de France. Ah, c'est cool. Let's unpack it. Je viens de, I come from. Use de before most countries. Je viens de France. Je viens de Chine. Je viens d'Italie. If the country starts with a vowel, say d'apostrophe, like d'Iran, d'Espagne. For masculine countries, use du. Je viens du Japon, du Canada. Don't worry about memorizing rules. Just repeat real examples until they sound right. C'est cool means that's cool. Very common. Cultural tip. When you tell a French person your country, they often reply, ah ouais? C'est beau là-bas? Oh yeah? Is it nice there? Be ready. They love geography talk. Let's train together. Repeat loud and proud. Je viens de France. Again, je viens de France. Now, je viens d'Iran. Again, je viens d'Iran. And je viens du Canada. Again, je viens du Canada. Mix them up. Tu viens d'où? Je viens d'Espagne. C'est cool. Now say it faster, smoother, friendlier. Je viens de France. Nice, you sound like a local. Repeat, repeat, repeat. That's how your brain locks it in. Today, you learn how to talk about where are you from. Now you can ask and answer that question like a natural. Quick recap. Je viens de France. I'm from France. Je viens d'Iran. I'm from Iran. Je viens du Japon. I'm from Japan. C'est cool. That's cool. Now say it one last time. Salut. Je m'appelle Reza. Je viens d'Iran. C'est cool. Tomorrow, we'll wrap up your first encounters theme with a short review and quiz-style conversation. Get ready. We'll see how much French you already know.